Discover MDM Design Studio, where expert craftsmanship meets your personal vision. Founded in Birmingham, Alabama in 2005, we are masters in creating custom cabinetry, furniture, and millwork for your space. From elegant tables and chairs to business solutions and more, our skilled artisans craft it all. Dedicated to providing high-end furnishings for both homes and businesses, each piece is tailored to your exact specifications. We combine the finest tools and technology with traditional skills to create unique furniture that perfectly complements your space. Additionally, we coordinate delivery and installation to make the entire custom furniture experience seamless and hassle-free. At MDM Design Studio, we're not just making furniture, we're crafting the centerpiece of your dream environment. Explore our creations today and let's bring your vision to life together. Visit our website at mdmdesignstudio.com to view our portfolio or get a quote on your next project.